karong buntaga atong bisitahon ang usa sa mga real estate properties dinhi sa Lapu-Lapu City, ang Sekyung Village 1. Tara, atong sutaon.
Located in Marigondon, Lapu-Lapu City, Sekyung Village 1 is a 688-unit residential condominium with a majestic view of the island. Tumong sa Sekyung mao ang pagmugna og quality homes that is conducive to creating a lasting relationship. And for a very affordable price, pwede na ma-enjoy ang nagaring amenities sama sa commercial complex, swimming pool, children's park, basketball court, ug uban pa.
The first ever building nga gi-construct diri sa Mactan Island or maybe in Cebu City nga fully shear wall.
Ang shear wall, mga kamags, is a structural system composed of braced panels. Tuyo kini gimugna sa Sekyung aron masiguro ang safety sa mga lumulupad.
Mga mags, if you're looking for a place nga siguradong safe ka, comfortable, and has an amazing view, then Sekyung Village is the place for you.